In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. The IDM, also known as the Internet Download Manager, is crucial because it allows users to easily capture and download videos, audio, and other files from websites, often with just a click directly through the browser. So to add the IDM extension, simply head to your Chrome. This is the IDM official download site. I will leave the site link in this video description. You will want to scroll down onto this other link right here. Click on it to head onto this other page of IDM Integration Module. You will then click on Add to Chrome. You will then select on Add Extension. The IDM extension will successfully get installed. To go ahead and configure it, simply click onto these three dots. Navigate onto the option of Extensions. Select on Manage Extensions. On IDM Integration Module, select Details. Make sure the IDM is enabled. If not, turn this on. Moving on to this option of site access, it should be on all sites. Lastly, on Allow in Incognito, it should also be enabled. Overrole. IDM supports resume functionality, which is particularly useful for managing interrupted downloads, hence providing a streamlined user experience. That's how easy it is to add IDM extensions to your Google Chrome. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.